Forget literally everything you thought you knew about the Apple Foldable. Seriously, throw all those skinny, tall concept designs right in the trash. I have spent the last 48 hours doing a massive deep dive into the latest supply chain reports from Mac Rumors and Macworld, and what I found is going to make Samsung extremely nervous. We are not looking at rumors anymore. We are looking at physical dummy units and leaked CAD files for what they are calling the iPhone Ultra. And the craziest part, it looks absolutely nothing like a Galaxy Z Fold. Welcome back to the channel. If you are a tech nerd like me, you have probably been waiting for an Apple folding phone since like 2019. Well, the wait is almost over. But Apple is not just copying the homework of everyone else. Instead of giving us that awkward, narrow candy bar shape that we are so used to seeing, Apple is going super wide. According to highly reliable leaks and a recent hands-on video from Unbox Therapy showcasing a physical mock-up, the iPhone Ultra is adopting a passport-style design. When you pull this thing out of your pocket and snap it open, it does not turn into a weird vertical tablet. It gives you a 4:3 aspect ratio that is essentially the exact same proportions as an iPad mini. It is wider than it is tall. Honestly, this makes so much more sense for how we actually use our devices. Think about it. When you want to watch a YouTube video or play a graphics-heavy game, or even just type an email on a digital keyboard, a wider screen is just fundamentally better. You do not have to do that awkward device rotation anymore. It is a landscape-first experience right out of the gate. But the widescreen is only half the story. The absolute biggest hurdle for foldable tech has always been that ugly ditch down the middle of the screen. Apple flat out refused to release a phone with a massive crease. And according to the latest supply chain intel, they finally solved it. Reports indicate they are using an advanced ultra-thin glass paired with a liquid metal hinge, making the crease virtually invisible. You will literally have to catch it in the perfect lighting just to know it is a folding screen. Plus, the whole device is rumored to be an insane 4.5 millimeters thin when unfolded. Now, let's get into the most controversial part of leaks. If you look closely at the leaked dummy units, there is something very un-ultra happening on the inside screen. We have visual confirmation of a Touch ID. Yes, you heard me right. Touch ID on a $2,000 iPhone. Because the device is so insanely thin, Apple reportedly had to ditch the complex Face ID sensors on the inside. There is no space for it. Instead, Apple is supposedly bringing back Touch ID. But this time, it will be baked right into the side power button, exactly like the iPad Air. Naturally, this massive shift in design has the competition in an absolute panic. Samsung has had total control over the premium foldable market for years, but they know that the second an Apple Foldable drops, their market share is in serious danger. So, what do? They hit the panic button. According to recent code digging by Android Authority, hidden animations inside Samsung's upcoming One UI 9 software reveal a secret device. The internal code name is H8. And guys, it is literally called the Galaxy Z Wide Fold. Samsung is so terrified of Apple's passport design that they are rushing to build their own super wide foldable to launch this summer, right alongside the standard Z Fold 8. They want to beat Apple to the punch so they can say they did it first. But here's the catch. Early specs for this Galaxy Z Wide Fold suggest Samsung is cutting corners to get it out the door. Rumors point to a major camera downgrade compared to their other flagships. We are talking about a standard 50-megapixel main sensor borrowed from the base model S26, rather than the massive 200-megapixel beast you would expect for the price. Samsung is rushing, and it definitely shows. This is the ultimate tech showdown. We finally have the definitive look at Apple's widescreen iPhone Ultra, and we have Samsung scrambling to clone it before it even hits the shelves. The foldable wars are officially entering a brand new era, and honestly, we the consumers are the real winners here. I am incredibly hyped to see how this iPad mini-style approach actually feels in the hand. But I want to turn it over to you guys. What do you think about this super wide passport design? Do you prefer having a wider screen for watching movies and typing? Or do you actually like the tall and skinny style of the classic Galaxy Fold? Drop all of your thoughts down in the comments below. If you love this deep dive and want to stay ahead of all the crazy tech leaks coming this year, do not forget to smash that subscribe button. I'm tracking these supply chain leaks daily, and the absolute second a working prototype gets caught on video, I will be breaking it down right here on the channel. Stay safe out there, and I will catch you in the next one.